Yo, I swear that every time I come to the gym, I feel like I'm in a fucking club or some shit. Like, y'all see those lights? I'm at a club. Legit. UFC gym club, bitches. I had an amazing workout session. It was really fun. It involved a lot of heavy weights and an extensive sauna session. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm beat. I'm tired. I'm driving on my way back home. I have to stop by the supermarket real quick and get my grandma some vinegar, because, I mean, is it like a Hispanic thing, or is it a grandma thing, or is it just like a normal thing and I'm just not aware of it, that you're supposed to wash your lettuce and vegetables with like vinegar? Because I wasn't aware of this. Up until now, I was literally just washing my vegetables and my lettuce with regular ass fucking water. So I don't know where my grandma came up that you have to wash things with vinegar, but she's making me go buy her a whole like gallon thing of vinegar because this lady can't eat without eating lettuce, basically. So that's what I'm gonna go do. And you know, I like, today's my first day at the gym back. Like, I'm gonna be real. But I had totally forgotten how amazing the gym is. How it just makes you feel so good. Like, it makes you feel productive, like you did something with your day. And it makes me feel good, you know? Like, am I the only person, or does anybody else do this where they go to the gym one time, they do one squat, and they're already checking their ass out or checking their abs out, or like trying to see if they lost 5 pounds already in one gym session? Well, that was me today. This is my first day back and I haven't even been there for like an hour, and I'm already trying to see if I look any skinnier than when I came in. I'm retarded. But whatever, it was just fun. Like, it's fun to be motivated. And you know what I love about going into the sauna is that sometimes you get to sit like with people that they do want to talk to you and they do want to make conversation with you, and it's just fun because it makes the time pass quicker. So next thing you know, it's been already like 20 minutes, and you know, you were just there 20 minutes. But when you are there by yourself, because you can't even really listen to music or have headphones in there because they get really hot, so you just, like, it's not recommended. So I'm just sitting there by myself, I'm counting the seconds. I'm like, 1 second, 2 seconds, because I just think time goes by so slow when you're in that sauna by yourself. But then when you're there with other people, it just goes by quicker. And I don't know if it's because you're like chit-chatting with them or what the hell it is, but to me, it's just always better when there's people. Unless I'm in one of those moods where like I don't want to talk to anybody and I just want to stretch in peace. But that wasn't the case today. Today I was in the mood to talk to someone, and it was fun. So I'm excited, you know. It's just hard for me to like maintain the motivation to continue going to the gym, because I be telling myself all the time, all right, Pris, you're gonna go to the gym today after work, you're gonna go to the gym, and then that time comes after work when I'm supposed to go to the gym and I don't. So I mean, I know I'm not the only one, because I was literally just talking to the people in the sauna, the ladies, and they were like, holy shit, you're totally right. It's a broken fucking record because everybody struggles with motivation. But I mean, does anybody have a fucking solution to it? Because we're just gonna keep playing that record then until somebody fucking tells us how to get motivation. Bro, it's hard. Like, I can look at all the old pictures of myself, but I just can't get that motivation to get the fuck up in the morning and work out for 40 minutes and work out at night. I don't know. So I just wanted to take a quick second here to just talk to you guys a little about like my fitness journey. You know, it's been stressful over the past whole lifetime. My weight has always been like up and down, and sometimes it just spirals out of control. Sometimes I'm just stagnant, and you know, I just decided, like, it's unfortunate that we live in a society where there's a certain beauty standard, And because of that, I don't want to say I'm not a confident individual, but I want to say that society does, or I do feel a pressure from society to look a certain way, even if it's not like skinny, because I'm not trying to look skinny, I'm trying to look like slim thick, basically. That's what every girl's fucking trying to look like. Slim waist, big booty, just right in all the places. And you know, sometimes I come to the gym and I'm like, okay, but what am I doing this for? Like, am I doing this for me? Am I doing this for somebody? Am I doing it for even my grandma, my dad, my uncle, just anybody who's ever questioned my weight, doubted me, or just criticized me, and just anything weight related. It's never been about, oh, you're not smart, or you're not pretty, or you're not funny. It's always just like, oh, you have a pretty face, but, oh, but. So, you know, to me, it's like, fuck the buts. I just want to do it because I want to prove everybody wrong. I want to prove myself wrong, that I no longer have to look like this, because matter of the fact is, there's women out there that feel comfortable in their skin no matter what size, shape, whatever they look like. But I gotta be true to myself. I don't feel good with myself, and therefore this journey is something that I need to embark on, and I need to embark at full force. It's just a little thought. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm already making the salmon and the shrimp. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get like my salad ready. I usually like to use organic stuff, so I'm using organic spring mix, and I'm just gonna grab a generous handful of that. Then I go over to my kale, which I will also grab a handful. I grab less of this because kale, sometimes it's too bitter for my stomach, so the acids and whatnot, just like spinach, is not like good for me. It's not very good for me. So I'm gonna grab an avocado. I'm gonna cut that in half. I like using Haas avocados. Like, it's not that I don't like the other ones, but just these are just so much better. They just taste better. It's the one they use in sushis. And there's that other one, which I don't even know what the name of it is, but I like to call it the Hispanic avocado because it's just that's what I'm used to, like, also growing up in my country. But then once I came here and I had Haas avocados, I was like, girl, Spanish avocado where? So now I'm gonna check on my shrimp. Oh, that's looking real good. It's looking so good. Look at all that steam and all that juice. Actually, I think it's ready. Yeah, these shrimps are ready. Salmon's ready. So what we're gonna do is we're going to turn the heat off and we're just gonna remove it from the heat. All right, so I'm gonna put some shredded carrots in my salad. I'm gonna bring my pan with my food. We're going to grab half of a salmon fillet. We're gonna put that right on top. Ooh, it's perfect because it's not like fully cooked. Oh, I love it. And then we're just gonna grab a few of the shrimps and put that on there as well. Now, I like to grab a little bit of this goddess dressing. So I'm just going to pour some of that over the salad. And voila, our meal is made. Our after gym workout meal is ready. Look at that, you guys. That looks so good. Still see the steam coming off the plate. Yum! So I put in some broccoli, kale, and some mushrooms with a little bit of olive oil in a pan, which I am going to, I'm just going to move it around and cook that all together. So I went ahead and I already put cracked pepper because I needed both hands to do that. Now I'm going to use ground ginger. Really like ginger. Then I'm going to add a touch of lemon pepper and some original like glaze. And I'm going to start moving that around. So I went ahead and I got spring mix with some spinach and some corn, and I put that into a bowl. So I cooked the veggies enough to be kind of grilled. Then I went ahead and used Morningstar Farms chicken nuggets, like meatless chicken nuggets, and I cut them up. I used the serving size, cut them up. Then for dressing, I went ahead and I mixed in a little cup some olive oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, and balsamic vinegar. So there you go. Wait, Mike. Huele increíble. ¿Lo hueles? It smells so good. It smells amazing, like amazing Parmesan cheese. Get that, let's get that. Yes!
Ya lo puso de ella mi nieta.
Super niña.
Ese viejo te quiere mucho.
Cuando venga no tenemos que llevar cuando él venga.
Ajá. Y vamos.
Mommy. ¿Te gustó?
Sí, está muy rico.
Yummy?
¿Mm?
Yummy? Alright guys, so that has been the vlog for this week, and if you guys like this content, if you guys want to see me vlog some more, and actually let's end this with I cut my hair. Do you guys see? I finally got rid of all of that like dead hair from the blonde, and I'll actually insert a picture here. And yeah, I'm so happy that that hair is gone. As you can see, it's just awful. So thank God for that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell icon so that you will get notified every single time that I post a new video. Thank you guys, and stay blessed. Peace.